welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the charging speed test in the Realme GT Neo 2 while playing Battlegrounds mobile game. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of testing on this device, and the main reason is because the phone has got very good fast charging which can actually charge within close to 35 minutes of time, and I just want to see whether this fast charging can be applicable while you are using the phone and while you are gaming or not. And there are other things to take care, because while gaming and while charging at same time, this is not that good, but I just want to use in this video only. I won't use any time, just for one time purpose only. I'll try to record the temperatures as well. So definitely friends, I would not recommend for all the users. So even though the phone will be charging within 30 minutes only, so you should not do this kind of thing, playing game and charging at same time. But just in case if you want to play the game and charge, how quick the phone can actually charge. I just want to push the limits of every smartphone whatever I buy. That's what I'm about. So let's get started friends without wasting any time, and same as usual, I'll try to start the charging test from 1%. Right now the battery percentage is exactly 1% at this moment, and let me show you you can see friends clearly 1% of the battery just now it got done. So 1% and everything is completely clean from the background. Let me try to turn on the Wi-Fi and turn on the Battlegrounds mobile game and connect the charger. Right now the external charger is connected friends, just to show you what is a super dot, whether it's connected or not. That's the reason I'm trying to show you this kind of lock screen. That's the main purpose. Let me try to log in to the phone, and let's open the Battlegrounds mobile game. So it is a Battlegrounds mobile game. So I'm going to play the Battlegrounds mobile game continuously. With the brightness, I will try to keep around close to maybe 50% brightness. Yes, 50% brightness should be kind of okay, good deal. And let's check the temperatures in the beginning. 31 degrees Celsius in the beginning. Okay, perfectly done. So you can see, so it's pretty normal, nothing much huge difference in the temperatures, and we should be able to see the phone charging. So clearly it started to charge right now. At this moment, not bad. So I'll try to keep a little bit volume, not a huge volume, just a little bit volume I'll try to keep it. So because we cannot connect any time like headphones, that's the reason I thought of keeping just a little bit volume. And during this time I'll try to play continuously the team deathmatch non-stop, and sometimes I'll try to play the classic match and I'll try to keep on running something like that. I'll try to plan, but my main intention is to check the temperatures. So few phones, they'll have the mechanism to stop the fast charging if the temperatures are really high. So only few phones will be having that kind of mechanism. Right now I'm trying to use this gaming triggers as well during this time of demonstration. As you can see right now I'm trying to play the game, and let's see how fast the phone can actually charge. So I can be back after maybe close to 10 minutes of continuously gaming, then we will be able to understand what is happening. So right now as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 15 minutes of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game and charging at same time. So let's see what will the charging percentage exactly around the 15 minutes. I'll try to go through the readings, then we'll be able to understand slightly better what is happening. So exactly 14 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see what happens after some seconds. And the phone battery charged up to, let's show me the battery. Yes, 15%. As you can see friends, exactly 15% is the phone charged in 15 minutes of time continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game and charging at same time, and the temperature increased up to 39 degrees. You can see what is happening with the temperatures. So 39 degrees, 39.2, charging and playing at same time. So the phone is not charging that much faster friends, so not bad. So it's kind of another thing you should definitely understand. So playing game and charging at same time, the phone cannot charge fast, and 15% the phone reached, and the temperature is about 39 degrees Celsius. What I'll try to do is that I'll try to continue for the next 15 minutes only, and then I'll try to stop playing the game. I won't continue because it's not good for the battery health as well. So I'll just, out of curiosity only, I just want to see whether the phone can actually support fast charging while gaming. I don't think the phone will be able to support. So only few phones will be able to handle. So if you think no phone will be support, that's not correct. Only few phones can actually do that. So I do have the another phone which is the Realme X2 Pro. This phone can actually charge and play game at same time faster. Yes, that's kind of possible in the Realme phone. Only one of the few phones, Realme phones, will be able to handle this kind of intense kind of stress. So I'm gonna be back after 15 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, friends, it's been 30 minutes continuously. I'm playing the Battlegrounds mobile game and charging at same time. Let's check the battery percent, how much the phone got charged. It got charged to 27% for continuously. I'm trying to charge while playing the game. And during this time, there is no optimized not charging. Nothing is enabled at this moment. And this is the charging condition at this moment. Playing the game and charging at same time, it's not charging that much faster. So to prevent the battery as well from overheating, that's the case, I think so. That can be also another case, but overall I'm trying to stop the test result because it's going to take definitely a lot of time. I think close to 1 hour of time. I think more than 1 hour it might take to charge full 100%. So I will be back after maybe I won't be back. So sorry, friends. So I'm trying to end this kind of testing at this moment. So because of the slow charging phone while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick testing on this one. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.